Hey Sydney, this is Brittany with Vibrant Rose Digital Solutions. I wanted to say thank you for reaching out to my Facebook post and letting me make you a quick video. I don't want to take up too much of your time, so I am going to go ahead and just get into this. And at the end of this video, if you could just maybe give me some feedback, I would greatly appreciate it. So today I want to just go over a few things with you. Like I said, those things I want to go over with you are content, backlinks, and citations. So content is going to be made up of anything on your front page here, any wording that you use, any photos that you use, how those photos are saved, and what's behind those photos are all a part of your content. And Google likes to see about 1,500 to 2,000 words on a homepage. And within that content, you're going to want to add keywords that you want your business to be found for. So that keyword is going to be that anything that people are looking on Google for a particular service or product. And in your content, you can place these keywords throughout to tell Google exactly what terms you want your website to be found for. That way you can start to rank for different things that people are searching for. And I did put your information into a website that we use here. This way we're able to see the analytics of your website. So we're able to see that strength and that trust that you have with Google. Those are on a scale of 100, and the best thing to do is be able to raise them up, but be able to keep them as balanced as possible. Now, another thing is you're not indexing for any keywords on the website at the moment. So that's definitely something you want to be able to do to take what your services are and where you want to have your services, like what location you want them to be in. You want to be able to put those keywords into that website, and it's going to be able to have you found easier on Google as well. Now, you are indexing for quite a bit of backlinks. So you have 138 coming from 4 domains. And so basically those backlinks are going to act like an endorsement for your website. So they're one website linking to another website, and Google then uses that to build trust in your business by seeing others vouching for you. Now, not all of these backlinks are going to be created equal. Some are more spammy and some are more authoritative. So you definitely want to go after the more authoritative links, and that's going to help build trust when it comes to Google. Now, I did pull up another business that I saw. It looked like you were doing career coaching, and I was able to pull up their analytics as well. You definitely have more backlinks than they do, but they have more keywords. And so the idea is to be able to see what backlinks they're using, what keywords they're using. That way we're able to see more of what we could take that works for your business and be able to utilize it as well. So we could definitely look at different competitors, things like that, and go from there. So you want to be able to then pop up in these map packs. So depending on where your service areas are, and it could, be a bunch of different service areas, but this will help be able to pull you up when people are searching for your service. That's where you want to definitely be able to pop up, is right there on that front page in the map pack. That's where Google gets most of their click rate, everything. People come straight to those websites first. Once you get all of those mixing together, you definitely will be able to build more trust on Google and be able to boost your business up on these pages. So another thing you want to focus on is citations. So a citation is anywhere that your business name, address, and phone number are in things like Yelp, Yellow Pages. That's going to add more relevance to your company as well. Now, when you're also doing a Google business profile, they give you an About Us section. You want to be able to make sure you're using every single word of the 750 words that they give you. And then also you want to place keywords throughout that About Us section as well. Once all of those come together, those are definitely going to help boost you up on Google, and you'll be able to be found a lot easier. So that's what I wanted to go over with you today, and I wanted to say thank you for allowing me to take the time to make this video for you. I really appreciate it. I am going to link my phone number and my email into the message I'm going to send you, and that also you'll be able to text me, call me, whatever works best for you. Message me on Facebook if you ever have any questions. I greatly appreciate you allowing me to make this video and for your time. So thank you again. I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye now.